don't know where Brandon's at. We just got here. Brandon was supposed to be here at 4 o'clock. And I don't know where he's at. His data's not working on his phone. My phone's turned off. And I'm just over here trying to find him.
My shit would wear done.
Really? Right as soon as I started recording, you had to say that. I think Brandon's on his way. Hold on, hold on. It's not that van. Where? Oh, there he is! Got him! I thought he was going in the opposite direction. Back up, back up, back up. Somebody was literally parked right there. I don't know. I could have swore somebody was right there. Don't hit my truck! Ooh. He's a terrible driver.
He is.
He tried to wave, but you can't even see him yet. There he is. Let's get a little shot right here. You can see me, my hair all messed up with the camera. And if we go a little bit further back here, there he is. Over here you can see the train. Me and Dakota actually rode this train in a different part of this place.
Video, now it's gone.
No, it's coming back. See? It's right there. We actually rode this train during a different festival that they were having. Maybe we'll get on it this time and get you a point of view of that.
Yeah, I don't know y'all.
Not yet.
That's gonna be you. Just like that. That's gonna be you. You don't even know because you weren't looking. But it's gonna be you. Put one arm up. Don't hold on.
Look at his face. Oh God! You wanted me to go fast, I'm
All the way down there is a clown.
You like clowns?
And we are all the way back here
For his birthday, we were gonna go see it.
in line to ride the train.
You gotta make me a tiger. A what? A tiger. Well, let me find my magic marker.
Brandon's trying to get a tiger.
You have a black car tracker. Can I have your shoes? Do the belt buckle. Thank you. I like your shoes. You want to make a trade? The belt buckle for the shoes? What do you think? I got to hold on to them. My wife had them specially made for me. Someplace in Maine. You watch WWE? Sometimes, yeah. I like the old WWE. Back in the day, the NWO. Yeah. Back when things were extreme. Hall and the Diesel and Sting. Sting still wrestles. But no, he had to quit. Yeah, he got hurt because he got really hurt. That would be mine. Your tiger. Tigers are my favorite animals, although I would never pet one. That is a great looking tiger. All right. Sure. So you gotta take care of all these guys and keep them out of trouble?
No, I'm not looking.
Can you make me a big old heart? Sure. Like the Tin Man on Wizard of Oz? Like Tin Man on Wizard of Oz? I want a heart.
So far in this video, you have seen us go to a clown. You have seen us show the train, which we still have not been able to get on. And we have also seen Brian get knocked off of a bull, a mechanical bull. What you have not seen is the band playing, a bunch of other things that are happening. And there's one specific person, by the way the clown made us this, but there's one specific person who's trying to hide from everything, which he's not going to. I want y'all to see this, they just left me. As mentioned before, we are on the train finally.
He was.
I was.
Look at that tree.
Why did she let me drive?
We're encountering traffic.
Oh, hey! I hope they looked.
And that's the train.
Look how fast we're going, everyone. We are flying through here.
I'm like
So fast.
As a train.
And he's blending in.
I'm like the same colors.
It's like he's wearing camouflage, but he's not. We hit a bump. Oh. Keep hitting bumps.
Probably more exciting from your angle than mine. I'm just seeing everything behind
Yeah,
us.
you're seeing everything. Here, hold on, I got it.
That's what we'll see on the way back.
Oh, that's everything behind us. That's the view. I don't know, I can't see the screen, but whatever.
That's good.
There's my vehicle. There it is. No, we missed the building. I'm gonna get it. Hold on. There it is. No, I missed it again. The tree's in the way. I am. Wait. There it is. That's where they're playing the bands.
Alright. Waiting in line right now for spray painted tattoos. The options. Football teams. Things.
Which one do you like better? Do you like this skull or that cross better?
Okay, hold on. I can't really see it in the video. Alright, point to it again. Alright.
The skull
Okay,
here
okay, the skull.
or the cross there?
I like the skull.
You like the skull better?
I like
the
skull.
cross.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't know, I kind of like the flame going through it.
Yeah.
What does he like better?
Okay.
I like the cross.
I'm gonna keep this over here.
Alright, set it down, I'll get it.
Empty.
The deer. Where's the
This is where I've been. Did you get it?
Now Tyler's turn.
Changed my mind on mine.
Did you?
Yep.
Breast cancer. Ribbon.
Yes, but this is the end of it. We can't take any more. Sorry, Daddy.
I wouldn't get one, but I want the breast Alright, let the camera see what it is. Alright.
Did you see it?
Yeah, I think kind of see it. Yeah.
Kind of see it.
What do you
I
think?
might as well get something while I was up there. I was gonna get across, but kind of changed my mind.
I'm sparkly.
Girl Tiger!
Oh well, sorry.
Alright, now get side by side. You gotta get the boy and his tiger. So we have a bit of a complication. Kaylin has told me that something is messed up with her key and she cannot start her car. So now she is actually calling, so give me 1 second. And if you want, you can hold on to that. Hold on to that. Hello? Oh, hello? Not yet, why? Oh, you found them? Well, hold on a second. I got you on speaker because the camera is right here. Please let them know what you did.
The what?
What did you do?
I'm not saying what I did.
Go ahead, tell everybody what you did.
I lost the other half of my my key because it's being stupid.
And you were unable to drive down here.
Yes.
But now everything's good now, right?
Yeah, because I found it on the passenger side, I guess, because I went to go lock my car, and that's where it was.
Well, I guess we'll see you when you get here then.
Well, I gotta go home, and then I'm going over there.
Well, we will see you when you get here. Alright, bye. No more complications because she has found what she was looking for. And if my camera guy can hold the camera still, I can be able to explain that we are now going back to where we were.
I mean, you can...
Everything's pretty much torn down. You can see my shadow right there. Got the dunk tank all the way over there that they've toppled over.
I want to get it in the video.
There's that. Somebody's trying to walk in front of the camera, but we're trying so hard not to let that happen. Oh look, there's the ground. So, there's the train. People are leaving. And there's more on the other side. So let's go to the other side. I almost stabbed my leg with that. Also, here's that operating thing that was for the bull, the mechanical bull. And then we got that big slide that was all the way over here. That's taken down. The other thing, which I don't know if it got in the video or not, is also taken down, where they were hitting each other to knock each other off. And well, that's pretty much all they had. The clown's left, I think. I think he's gone. I don't see him anywhere.
He left.
So that's pretty much it. It's starting to get empty. $10 for what? You pointing, but you ain't telling me.
You see the green swing? The green and tennis looking swing?
Yeah.
Lock yourself into that and swing back and forth about 5 times. I'll give you $10. And as long as you're loud, be loud. So like
No, see,
or something.
you did not say the loud part in the beginning.
Okay, well that's what you...
I have to be loud?
Yeah.
There's an easy
Look, they're right beside it
They're
too.
in it, but they're not locked in. You gotta be locked in.
Please don't. I go to school with them. Please do not.
Oh, you go to school with them?
Yes.
Alright, let's do it. Come on. No, I seriously can't laugh at that. I'm not.
You
I
have
seriously
to.
can't. I really
You
can't.
have to for
I can't
$10.
latch it.
You can latch it. You can latch it.
You can.
I really can't. I seriously can't.
Yes, you can.
Because I can't sit back because of these right here. The end pieces right here. are,
$10
like, into my back. That thing.
$10. I mean,
I can't latch it.
latch it.
Well, after Caitlin told me that she found her keys, we've just been chilling out here doing really nothing. We were on the swings for a little bit. Me and Brandon went down some of the slides. Other than that, we didn't really do much. Just to let y'all know, they are sitting right there. They noticed. Anyway, we gave... Alright, this is how it happened. You know how people ask, where do you want to go to eat? And they're usually like, I don't know. How to fix that. So I was like, Brandon, give me 2 choices, and Caitlin, you pick out of the 2. So the 2 choices were either Wendy's or Hardee's. Which one do you think we decided? You're about to find out. Well, we have made it. If you have not been able to find out by the colors of this place, or by the way it looks.
It's Hardee's.
Yes, we are definitely at Hardee's.
I forgot to tell him how to make it. Just like,
So where did you say we made it to?
Hardee's.
That's where we're at. We're at Hardee's. As you can tell. Hardee's. Quality is their recipe. Yes?
Tell them about the
Thanks to
time
you.
me and you.
Hardee's
we had Hardee's
is
and we went in Burger King and
able
also ate.
Oh yeah, we did, didn't we? Just to let all you guys know, it was extremely loud until I pressed the record button. Then everybody just got quiet. Literally everybody just shut up. But I would say we had a pretty decent day.
$4.53. Ketchup.
Yeah, I got the $4 thing. It's $4.53.
It's meal junior bacon.
Yeah.
Small fries, small Coke. You didn't get Coke, did you?
Actually, I did. Out of that machine right there.
4-piece nugget, barbecue.
Is it really supposed to be only a Coke?
Well, you can barely see me. It's getting really dark, and we've pretty much done everything we needed to do. They're kind of arguing in the back behind me, but hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time.